The next part of the section says determine another operation that has the same numeric value. So this really has to deal with the patterns that we were talking about here. So we have 30 choose 7, and we need to come up with another operation. So let's look at the number line. The lowest value is 0, and the highest value is 30. So 7 is 7 away from 0. So we need to come up with the number that is 7 away from 30, and that would be 23. So my operation is 30 choose 23. Now if you want to check your work, you can, because if we type these both in on the calculator, they should both be equal to 2,035,800. Let's look at 11. We know the top number has to be 50, and if we draw the number line, the lowest value is 0, the highest value is 50, so 3 is 3 away from 0, so we need a number that is 3 away from 50. So just subtract 3 from 50 to get 47. So my operation is 50 choose 47. And if you want to check this, you can. So if you type these both into the calculator, they are both equal to 19,600.